You all are fine? Yes. Children, today we learn first class social studies. Yes, children, first class social studies. Yes, children, everyone take out your social textbook. Yes, children. Yes, already we learned plants around the 13th lesson is completed. And children, 14th lesson animal rounders part 1 is completed. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now children, part 2 animal rounders part 2 half lesson is completed. Now part 2 half lesson, children. Okay? See children here. See children, page number 74. Join the dots to draw a big and small animals and color them. Yes children, 1 to 20 numbers is there. To join the dots like this only, children. See here. Yes. Yes children, like this only. Okay, join the dot numbers. Join the dots. Okay children. See children, and color it children. Elephant and rabbit, small big animal, and small rabbit is a small animal. The both are color it children. Okay, first join the dots and then color it. Okay, yes children, food for animals. Like human being, all animals also need food to live and grow. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Yes children, yes children. Food for animals. Human beings also need food to live children, and animals also grow. Animals eat food kinds of animals, different kinds of food children. Animals like cow, goat, sheep, horse, elephant, giraffes, rabbits eat plants. Yes children, cow, goat, sheep, horses, elephant, giraffes and rabbit eat plant, fruits and vegetables. Okay children. Animals like tiger, lion, foxes, eagles, cheetah and wolves eat flesh to other animals. Okay? Animals like deer, crows, dogs and cats eat both plant and flesh of other animals. Baby animals get their food from their mothers. Animals, bear, cows, dogs and cats eat both plants. Okay children? And the flesh of other animals. And small baby animals, their food for their mother. Okay children. Animals homes. Yes animals also stay home. Different animals have different kinds of homes. Yes children. Different animals kinds of different types of homes to protect themselves from rain, cold, heat and wind. Same human beings also children. Human beings also live to protect from home. Yes children. And themselves cold, rain, heat and wind. Okay. Birds make nests. Yes children. Birds make nest. And we keep fish in an aquarium. See children here. And a cow live in a shed. A horse live in a stable. A lion live in a den and a rabbit live in a burrow. Yes children. Birds make a tree children. You saw nest children? Yes, birds make a nest. And we keep fishes and where children? Aquarium. And cows live in a where children? Shed. This is a shed. And a horse live in a stable. A lion lives in a den children. See children, den. And rabbit lives in a burrow. Animals help us. Animal help us in many ways. Yes children, animal helps many ways children. Cows, goats and buffalo give us milk. Yes children, cow, buffalo, goat give milk. Sheep give us wool. Sheep, you know children, sheep? Yes, sheep gives us milk. Wool. And bees give us honey. Yes children, you know children, honeybees Yes, bees gives us honey, and sheep gives us woolen, and cow, goat, buffalo gives us what, children? Yes, milk. Yes, children, your lesson is finished, part 2, and everyone take out your social class workbooks. I'll give some sentences. Okay? Now take out everyone. Yes, children, ready with sharpener, pencil, as eraser. Take out, children, everyone social class workbook. Write heading classwork. Everyone should write neatly, children. Okay? Yes, children, ready? Yes. First one is birds, B-I-R-D-S. Birds make, M-A-K, make nests, N-E-S-T-S, nests. Second one, we keep, K-E-P, keep, F-I-S-H, fish, is an aquarium, A-Q-U-A-R-I-U-M. And third one, a cow lives in shed, S-H-E-D. A cow lives in a shed. And fifth one, a horse lives in a stable, S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Okay, children? Here, children, see, fifth one. Okay? A lion lives in a den, D-E-N, den. And sixth one, a rabbit lives in a burrows, B-U-R-R-O-W. Yes, children, write classwork. Birds make nests. Birds make nests. We keep fishes at aquarium. A cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in a stable. A lion lives in a den. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Yes, children. Everyone should write neatly in your classwork book, children. Now, so take out your classwork book. Start writing, children. finish children writing? Yes. Now children, everyone repeat these sentences. Okay? Birds make nets. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. M-A-K-E. Make. N-E-S-T-S. Make nets. Birds make nets. We keep fish is an aquarium. W-E-V-K-E-P. Keep. F-I-S-H. Fish. I-S is A-N-N-A-Q-U-A-R-I-U-M. Aquarium. Q-U-A-R-I-U-M. Aquarium. A cow sleeps in a shed. A-C-O-W. Cow. L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. I-N-E-A-S-H-E-D. Shed. A cow sleeps in a shed. A horse sleeps in a stable. A-H-O-R-S-E. Horse. L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. I-N-E-S-T-A-B-L-E. Stable. A lion sleeps in a den. A-L-I-O-N. Lion. L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. I-N-E-A-D-E-N. A lion lives in a den. A rabbit sleeps in a burrow. A-R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. I-N-E-A-B-U-R-R-O-W. Burrows. Yes children. Finish children? Yes. See children. Next. Page number 76. See children. What is the big children 76? Yes. Yes children. A bit. Write the type of the animal. Animal given here. Given here children. Yes children. See children here. 3 animals is there. One is lion, one is zebra and one is tiger. Which is the type of animal children? Yes, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra is a different type of animal children here. And second one, horse and cow. And middle is goat. G-O-A-T, goat. And third one, cat and dog. So parrot is type of animal. So P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Yes children, here right children. Next bit, match the animals and their homes. Yes children, write fastly. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. G-O-A-T, goat. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Yes children. See children, B bit. Match the animals and their homes. Yes children, animals leave home children. Okay. So first one is dog. And second one is birds. Third one is lion. And fourth one is horse. And fifth one is rabbit. So children, here B1 burrows. C1 kennel. And D1 den. And E1 nest. And F1 stubble. So children, dog. Where is the name of the dog children? Yes, den. And birds make a nest. Lion lives in a sorry. Dogs lives in a kennel. And birds make a nest, and lions live in a den. Horse, stubble, rabbit, burrow. Yes, children, see children. Dog, kennel. Dog, kennel. Birds, nest. Birds, nest. Lion, den. Lion, den. Horse, stubble. And rabbit, burrow. Understood, children? Matching, children, here. You also matching in your textbook. Yes, matching, children. Yes, children, finish. Dog, kennel, Kennel. Dog, dog, Kennel, kennel. Birds, Nest, nest. Matching, children, nest. Lion, Lion, Den, den. Matching. Horse, horse. Stubble, Stable, stubble. Rabbit, Rabbit, rabbit. Burrow. Finish, children? Yes. Now, children, next bit is seabed. What is the seabed, children? Yes. True or false? Seabed, right, true, for true, and F for false. Yes, children. First one, lion is a wild animal. So, children, true or false? Lion is a wild animal. Yes, true. Lion is a wild animal. Second one, horse is a domestic animal. Come on, children. Horse is a domestic animal and wild animal. Yes, horse is a domestic animal, the nearby house. Third one, cat is a pet animal. Yes, cat is a pet animal. True. And fourth one, goat gives us. Yes, children, goat gives us egg. Children, hen gives us egg. Yes, hen gives us. So here, children, goat gives us. So answer is false. Yes, children, here write neatly, children. True or false? Okay? Write neatly, start writing. Yes, children, lion is a wild animal. Lion is a wild animal. True. Horse is a domestic animal. True. Cat is a pet animal. True. And goat gives us egg. False. Finish, children. So, children, think, children. Think. In zoo, animals are kept in cages. Yes, children. Zoo park, animals kept with where, children? Cages. And do you think animals are happy there? Think children. Animals kept in zoo per cages. Yes, boxes, one jail type is there children. Animals is happy children, the cage. Think children, you think. Yes, life skills values. And your use. Yeah, first one, solve the riddle. Riddles. Yes, children. First one, I am the king of the jungle. Spelling is wrong, children. Okay. Yes, children. Yes, children, here give two spellings wrong and write the correct words. See children, I am the king of the jungle. OINL and correct is LION. Lion. Okay children. I have long trunk. LEEPHAN. So ELEPHANT. Elephant have a long trunk. I am the tallest animal in the jungle. FFGRIAE. So GRIAFFE. Giraffe. Yes, children, giraffe. So next, I am the fastest animal. ACEETH. So CHEEETH. C. Yes, children. A. CHEETHA. Cheetah. Lion, elephant, giraffe, cheetah. Yes, children. Here, right, children. Start writing. Yes, children. LION, lion. Yes, ELEPHANT, elephant. GIRAFFE, giraffe. And cheetah, CHEETHA. Cheetah, right neatly, children? Yes, children, finish? Yes, see children, I am the king of the jungle. LION, lion. I have long trunk. ELEPHANT, elephant. I am the tallest animal in the jungle. Giraffe, GIRAFFE, giraffe. I am the fastest animal. Cheetah, CHEETHA. Cheetah. Finish, children? Yes. So children, last bit is, what is the last Yes, children, you are enjoy. Make a own paper. Pet dog, you do children this one. Okay. Fold a square paper as instructed. Yes, children. Take one paper and fold this, children. See, children, here. See, children, dog, pet dog. Make a your own paper. You do, children, this one. Okay. Fold a square paper as instructed. Okay. First one is, see, children, fold and next fold, third, fourth, fifth. You do a make own pet dog. Okay, children. Yes, children. Your lesson is finished. Today you completed your notes. What is the notes, children, today? Type of the animals, match the following, matching, true or false, and life skills values. Isn't it, children? Yes, well, your lesson is completed, children. Now, Sakshi, children. Okay? Homework. Sakshi, homework. Page number 75. Sentences. Yes, children. Sentences. What is the sentences, children? Birds make nets. We keep fish in an aquarium. A cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in a stable. A lion lives in a den. A rabbit lives in burrow. Yes, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 sentences. Homework one time. Right, children. Sakshi, homework. Page number 75. Sentences. Homework one time. 6 sentences. Yes, children. Birds make nests. We fish keep in aquarium. A cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in stable. A lion lives in a den. A rabbit lives in a burrow. Yes, children. These 6 sentences write one time homework in your classwork book, children. Understood, children? Yes, your homework is finished. You take the pic and send me school mail ID. What is the school mail ID, children? My school, my homework @gmail.com. Send your homework. I'll check your homework, children. Okay, children? Okay, bye. Take care. We'll meet you next section, children. Bye.